Marunong na ako agad, guys. In your face! Yataps! Lupit, man! Ang sakit ko, guys! Melissa main na ako, guys! Ay, wala! Mali! Nagtala pagdidikit lang. Akala ko tama yun. Nice try. Learn from your mistake. Oh, English pa. And do not let it happen again. Oh, it's just one mistake. This one. Aray, tinamaan ako, men. Do not let it happen again. Bakit ganon? Why is that happen? Wow, joke lang. Wrong grammar, man.